No, thanks. I'm coming after you.
달만이 세상을 비추고 있는 어두운 시각에 어떤 남자가 누군가를 저격하기 위해 대기하고 있습니다. 옆집의 소년으로 대상을 바꾼 한편 이 서사의 세부 내용을 알아보기 위해서 5일 전으로 거슬러 올라갑니다.
Every person at MI6 works secretly around the world. We're one step ahead of our adversaries. You guess. It's actually not M, that's just in the movies. It's C.
애덤은 MI6라는 영국의 첩보기관에서 활동하고 있었으며 상당히 우수한 부국장이었죠.
He's landed.
I'll set something for this afternoon.
Thank you, Zoe. Nigel, how are you?
한편 MI6의 국장인 마틴은 고위층과 회동을 가지면서 상대의 약점을 후벼파고 있었습니다.
Two PPOs, one in the vehicle, one in the club.
President of the Supreme Court illegally obtains a visa for his 26-year-old lover. Tabloids will eat it up. Nigel, I can make this go away.
How?
Won't be entered into any official records.
대법원장 정도 되는 인물의 사생활까지 알고 있는 것을 보면 역시나 최고의 첩보기관이라고 할 수 있었죠.
Think about what I said.
그런 와중에 수상한 행동을 보였던 여성은 음료수에 무언가를 타고서 그에게 건넵니다.
Let's go.
아무런 의심 없이 그것을 바로 들이킨 마틴은 갑자기 눈앞에 뿌얘지더니 곧바로 쓰러져 버리죠.
Sir Martin?
We made it, Karath.
We have to go! Come on!
작전을 성공적으로 수행하긴 했지만 사람을 치고 갔기에 이것이 나중에 어떤 식으로 작용할지는 알 수 없었죠.
I think I'm gonna have to leave it there, guys.
Say thank you to Mr. Lawrence.
Hey, I'll see you back at home. Yeah. How long ago?
8 minutes ago, sir.
Where?
At his club, having lunch.
I need to brief the Foreign Secretary. Throw a 2-mile perimeter around the scene. CCTV, traffic cameras.
어찌됐든 영국 최고의 첩보기관의 수장이 쓰러진 것이었으니 요원들은 비상이 걸릴 수밖에 없었습니다.
Sir Martin Angelis was admitted to Bart's 10 minutes ago. He suffered a cardiac arrest while he was dining in his club.
As soon as you've been briefed by the police, you'll bring us both up to speed, all right?
Yes, Mum.
한 나라의 모든 정보를 쥐고 있는 인물이 이렇게 암살당했다는 것은 국가 자체에 대한 테러라고 볼 수 있었죠.
And the CIA director. There'll be others, but we should start there. All done.
Great, well, don't go easy on me. We must maintain the appearance of business as usual. Mustn't miss a step.
그래도 당장 MI6 국장 자리가 비어있는 것을 놔둘 수는 없었기에 이는 애덤이 물려받게 되었습니다.
Are you definitely alone?
Yeah, what's going on?
Someone tried to kill Martin Angelis.
Less than an hour ago.
I've been stepped up to chief.
Of course.
I was at the school when I found out, so Callum knows something's up.
행복하게 가정을 꾸리고 있었던 애덤 역시 현재의 상황이 혼란스럽기는 마찬가지였죠.
You've got it. I love you.
Right, the PM's raised the threat level to severe. He wants hourly updates. What have we got?
다만 그는 책임감이 투철한 사람이었으며 국장을 암살한 사람의 수색을 최우선의 과제로 지정합니다.
Is there a decision to appoint a permanent successor?
Jesus, Malik, he's not dead just yet.
But we need to know if Angelis was the ultimate target or if this is part of a wider threat.
I mean, the Russians wrote the playbook on it.
Yeah, but they like an end goal, something tangible.
All right, so let's push our assets into Iran, Baghdad, Damascus, Moscow. Let me know anything, the slightest whisper.
Yes, the job is yours. But if there is something else coming, you've got to stand and face it.
한편 암살의 범인이었던 카라 일행은 거사를 치른 이후에 몸을 피할 방법을 강구하고 있었죠.
But until we know what we're dealing with, we have to keep a lid on this. I want a total media blackout.
There was a hit and run on a delivery rider half a mile from the club, but it happened within a few minutes of the attack on Sir Martin. He sold it for cash 2 weeks ago to one Charles McGregor.
역시나 그들이 뺑소니를 치고 갔던 것은 덜미가 잡힐 수 있는 새로운 단서가 되었습니다.
You didn't pick up the phone. I started to get worried.
Your face is on the Met server, Thomas. Every cop in this city has it.
It's half of what I owe you.
You're coming too.
Of course.
다만 철저했던 카라는 자신의 범행이 발각될 수 있는 일말의 가능성까지 모두 차단할 정도로 치밀한 사람이었죠.
I don't fuck up, Keegan. I leave that to you.
요원들에게 임무를 지시한 이후 국장의 자리에 앉은 애덤은 사랑하는 가족들의 곁으로 잠시 돌아옵니다.
Dad's new job. Will we be safe?
Yeah. And we'll have people guarding the house.
What about school?
A protection officer, Frank Scott, will pick you up and drop you off.
높은 자리에 올랐다는 것은 결국 다른 표적이 된다는 얘기였기에 가족들의 입장에서도 걱정이 앞서는 것은 당연했죠.
And when you saved all those people in the embassy, that was your job too.
Which is way more dangerous than what I do now.
Then I reckon it's cool. No matter what Ella says.
I just don't want an armed escort.
Well, we could talk to them. Try and keep things as normal as possible.
아이들은 이런 불안에 휩싸여 당황스러워했지만 아내인 매디만큼은 애덤의 든든한 조력자가 되어주었습니다.
What did you expect? No 14-year-old girl wants to stand out. She just needs time. We all need a bit of time.
I don't know if I'm ready.
Your whole career's been building up to this.
I will need you to call me C, or Chief, if you prefer.
It depends. Will you...
Sorry.
Yeah.
Who is he?
Thomas Keegan's, one for armed robbery, one for possession of firearms.
What are the odds that it's the same poison Sir Martin's given?
Yeah. Someone's covering their tracks.
Sir Martin's conscious.
토머스가 죽었다는 것을 알게 된 한편 다행히 마틴은 독사를 당했음에도 목숨에 지장은 없었던 모양이었죠.
A leadership election, but very volatile. Do not trust. Some of them will doubt that you can do this. You have my full confidence.
그의 부탁으로 인해서 결국 애덤은 공식적으로 MI6의 수장 자리에 오르게 되었습니다. 홀로 여러 가지 정보를 나열하던 와중에 무언가 연결고리를 파악한 그는 어딘가로 향하기 시작했죠.
Books are a nice touch.
Your favorite Russian author? I kept it simple.
놀랍게도 카라는 애덤의 전 여자친구였으며 러시아의 정보기관인 SVR의 요원이었습니다.
But I am still MI6 and you are SVR.
They threw me out.
Why?
For tipping you off about the embassy siege.
What is this, Kara?
다만 그녀는 애덤에게 정보를 흘린 과거로 인해 해고된 상태였으며 그를 국장 자리에 올리기 위해서 이런 일을 벌였다고 얘기하죠.
Let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to call my team and then I'm going to have you arrested.
I don't think so.
Maddie, that your entire career has been engineered by your ex-lover.
The briefcase carrying chemical supply intel that just mysteriously landed in your lap.
Every intel win you earned, I gift-wrapped for you.
Adam, you'd been nothing without me.
서로 정보를 주고받은 파트너였으며 사랑을 나눈 연인이었기에 그녀의 제안이 너무나 혼란스러웠던 애덤.
The CIA doesn't normally spring for business class. Our target, the recently promoted Chief of MI6, Adam Lawrence. They want us up and running in 3 hours.
그런 와중에 미국의 대외기관이었던 CIA 역시 애덤을 노리고 있는 복잡한 상황이 되었습니다.
What the f*** are you doing in town?
God, I don't even remember this being taken. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at us. We look so innocent.
Don't we?
심지어 그곳의 요원이었던 디디는 애덤의 아내인 매디와도 친분이 있는 사이였죠.
It is so good to see you.
Suits you. You look good. So how are the kids?
I mean, things are trickier now, but
How do you mean?
it's all very confidential.
Sure.
I mean, I would tell you if I could.
Please don't.
사실 이는 애초부터 애덤을 노리고 접근한 것이었으며 사소한 정보라도 빼내는 것이 그녀의 목표였습니다.
We haven't got enough tickets.
Well, the PPOs aren't watching it, bud. Oh, Ella. It's all right. Sweetie, we'll get used to it, okay? Hold on a sec. Oh, this might be the PM.
I thought you were going to have me arrested. The IDR is going to detonate an explosive device on a cross-channel ferry when it docks tomorrow.
한편 카라는 지속해서 자신의 궁극적인 목표를 위해 애덤에게 거래를 제안하고 있었죠.
On Baku.
5 local men were killed, and I need to know what happened.
There are hundreds of people on that ferry, Adam.
and you can save them. What do you say?
Quid pro quo?
이전에 있었던 사건을 왜 파헤치는지가 의문이었지만 정보기관의 수장으로서 무고한 민간인들이 죽게 놔둘 수는 없었습니다.
It's taking you so long.
Can you get counter-terrorism patched in? I'm going to give you an IMO number.
All right, let's go.
그래도 철저한 성격이었던 애덤은 그녀가 집착하는 바쿠 사건에 대해 알아서 나쁠 것은 없다고 생각했죠. 그녀의 동료들이 죽은 사건이었지만 공식 보고서에 따르면 MI6의 개입이 없었기에 이를 끝으로 마무리하기로 하는데
Nope, there's nothing there. There's no name, no officer, nothing.
Then you need to try harder, Adam.
There's nothing else I can do.
Okay, so he bought this present for a co-worker.
How do you mean?
I don't know, it felt like a dead drop.
Here, click it once, and it records speech within a 10-meter range. Because you're going to find that it's nothing. I guarantee it.
Might we discuss the counter-terrorism agents that stormed a ferry inbound to Dover this morning dressed as a maintenance? One of them had a nail bomb in a backpack.
Well done, us.
부하들도 관리해야 했으며 카라의 협박을 받아주는 것만으로도 애덤은 머리가 터지기 직전이었습니다.
The police returned Sir Martin's briefcase, sir. You need to remove any confidential files before I send it to his home.
President of the Supreme Court? What is this?
It was in the old man's briefcase.
But she left by a different exit. We don't have eyes on her.
심지어는 딸이었던 엘라까지 위험에 처하게 되었으니 갈수록 문제가 극심해져만 갔죠.
We should be able to track her phone in the next 2 minutes.
Dad, someone's following me.
No, it's okay, sweetheart.
I'm right here, but you're cutting out. Stay calm.
So sorry.
Get a team out there immediately. Throw a net over the entire area.
I'm on it, sir.
그는 세부적인 요구를 들어주지 않은 것을 빌미로 카라가 벌이고 있는 행위일 것이라 생각했습니다.
This is between us, all right? I did what you asked for. If you touch my daughter...
그렇게 엘라가 납치된 한편 애덤 부부는 사랑하는 딸이 목숨의 위협을 받고 있다는 생각에 상당히 불안했죠.
She's our daughter.
I know
Of course
that.
it's
I realize
personal.
that. I'm just saying.
Well, is Callum at risk as well?
No.
Adam, who is this? Who's doing this?
현재 상황 자체에 패닉이 왔던 메디는 아무리 기밀이라고 하더라도 돌아가고 있는 판국을 알고 싶었습니다.
Where is she, Kara? What the fuck kind of game is this?
Hey. I don't have her.
I don't believe you.
Look, I'm in the police server right now and looking at all the CCTV I can get.
This was a professional job. There's someone else at play here.
카라가 자신의 소행이 아니라고는 하지만 협박을 행했던 그녀를 신뢰하는 것도 어려운 일이었죠.
No, thanks. I'm coming after you. Yeah, go ahead.
This is Blackout 00. Say the word. Over.
This is off the books. You have a green light.
애덤 나름대로 딸을 구출하기 위한 작전을 수행하는 한편 카라 역시 홀로 행동하기 시작했습니다.
Is my daughter there?
Negative. Stand by. There's no one on board. They've gone, sir.
그 시각 메디는 불안한 마음에 녹음되었던 애덤과 카라가 대화를 나눈 내용을 확인하려 했죠.
I don't trust you, Kara.
Right now you need me.
Didi, someone's taken Ella.
You recorded him.
I can't trust anything he's telling me right now. Something's going on. She had an accent. Eastern European, maybe Russian.
심지어는 그녀도 모르긴 했겠지만 이와 관련된 정보를 모두 CIA 요원이었던 디디에게 얘기해버립니다.
I volunteered for this assignment because you're my friend, and I love you. I was worried about you. The CIA has been watching Adam's rise.
Didi, what the hell is this?
We think Adam's been compromised. Ever since Baku, when he saved the embassy.
We think that's where he met his contact.
그녀는 솔직하게 자신의 의도와 생각을 밝히면서 가족들의 안위를 위해 협력해달라 요청하죠.
Grateful, and there's nothing I could ever do to repay you, but I'm not your f***ing asset.
We gotta meet. I need that recording.
Just because I'm here, it doesn't mean I believe what you say about Adam. I need you to help us find Nella. I can't lose her.
딸을 구하는 것에 매몰되어 있었던 메디는 그녀의 말에 설득되며 정보를 주기로 결심합니다.
We need to talk about the schedule. I cleared your diary. The Foreign Secretary's waiting for you. She insisted on a face-to-face briefing.
그 시각 문제의 당사자였던 애덤은 서둘러 현재의 상황을 조정하고 있었죠.
You have any witnesses?
A few positive sightings prior to the abduction. There are limits as to how much we can intrude on your official communications.
That's understood.
We'll let you get on, Rebecca. I think you need to consider stepping aside. Whoever took Ella will most likely want something for her safe return.
You really think I'd negotiate?
영국의 최고 정보기관인데다가 그곳의 수장의 자리는 가족을 지키는 것보다 더욱 무거운 책임감이 짓누르는 위치였습니다.
It's uplifting to see the compassion of ordinary people helping their fellow citizens. We should be cutting up the foreign aid credit card and rewriting our deals with NATO and the like when it could be spent more usefully at home.
한편 카라는 그의 딸을 직접 구해낸 이후 이를 대가로 자신이 원하는 정보를 끌어내려 했죠.
Ты же говорил, что я всегда могу обратиться к тебе за помощью. Мне сейчас нужно где-то спрятаться. И мне нужны наличные.
Я не хочу, чтобы тебя видели рядом со мной. У меня слишком много на кону. Я финансирую компанию Роберта Корби. Сейчас не время.
К черту твою симпатию. У меня ушли годы, чтобы оказаться на этом месте. Я должна оставаться в игре. Ты понял?
현재 영국에서는 차기 총리에 대한 선거로 인해서 어수선한 상황이었기에 어느 쪽이든 이를 이용할 생각이었습니다.
Audrey Crouch, Kirby's opponent. I've tried to get evidence, but I can't substantiate it. I'll stay here. But I need anything they have on her.
You're gonna put your pal Kirby into number 10.
And he knows how to repay loyalty. Ну что, мы договорились? Или нет?
Sorry I wasn't home when your boys came to visit.
I've got an ID on the man who kidnapped Ella.
Tell me. I'm in the control room. I'll feed it in.
And when they ask you where you got it from?
It doesn't matter. Just give it to me.
It matters to me, Adam.
Your club, 1 hour.
정보의 출처가 불분명했지만 딸을 사랑했던 그의 입장에서 이를 거부할 이유는 없었죠.
I'm gonna bring her home. It's nearly over, love. We need to deal with this one-on-one. Might take a few hours.
Buckle up.
납치범의 정체는 불법적으로 사람들을 밀입국시키는 운송회사였으며 누군가의 사주를 받은 것처럼 보였습니다.
She was hired to take Ella.
Joanne's company leases a unit on the 4th floor.
Mom, we've got CCTV confirming the suspect is at the address.
Suspect in Lawrence kidnapping located at Devoncroft Row, E18.
MI6 역시 용의자의 신상을 파악한 한편 애덤은 딸을 구하겠다는 일념을 갖고서 홀로 적진에 쳐들어가죠.
Please help me.
그가 상대와 몸을 부딪히고 있는 와중에 카라는 몰래 잠입하여 엘라를 구출하려 했습니다.
Come with me. Come on.
간신히 아이를 구해내긴 했지만 문제는 애덤과 상의도 거치지 않고서 그녀를 데리고 가버렸다는 것이었죠.
Sir? Pete, I'm in Devoncroft Row, East London. Get over here.
Mom.
It's okay. It's my friend Dee Dee.
Thanks. The police tracked Ella to a location in East London. When they got there, she was gone.
It's Adam. It's okay. It's all right. Adam,
I didn't get to her in time. Someone else took her.
I don't understand. You tracked her down.
이런 사실은 메디에게도 전해지면서 이는 자연스럽게 디디에게까지 정보가 들어가게 되었습니다.
Maddie, everybody has secrets. It has to come out. You know that.
This isn't who he really is.
And the kids, what's best for them?
Okay?
그 시각 카라는 엘라를 대가로 애덤에게 거래를 요구하기 위해서 그녀를 데리고 있었죠.
You see? We're safe here. All right? You like chocolate?
What's your name?
Kara.
Who's that?
This girl is actually your age. I just sent him a football shirt. My friends.
그녀는 바쿠 사건에서 사망한 자신의 동료들에게 죄책감을 갖고 있었으며 이를 위해서라면 무엇이든 거래할 준비가 되어 있었습니다.
There's nothing in the Baku files.
There's something else I need.
Intel on Audrey Gratz.
No, she's clean. We don't have anything.
Maybe it's not in the official records. One file on Gratz, then you get Ella back. It's a small price.
현재 총리 후보였던 오드리의 정보는 이미 마틴이 입수한 상황이었기에 정보를 얻는 것은 어렵지 않았죠.
You're lucky you caught me.
He's worried about you.
He's heard about Ella.
I'm so sorry, Adam. It's awful.
And I know what I need to do to get her back. Something I think Martin might have kept here at home in a file like this one.
He never talked to me about work.
카라가 동료들에 집착하는 것과 마찬가지로 애덤에게 엘라는 무엇보다 소중했기에 반드시 정보를 얻어야만 했습니다.
I'm sorry to ask, but I do need to see those files.
I knew this day would come.
And then my daughter's life is in your hands.
He keeps them in here. You've got 5 minutes.
그녀의 배려로 다행히 오드리에 관한 정보는 얻었지만 그는 자신과 관련된 수상한 파일도 발견하죠. CIA가 자신을 주시한다는 것은 뜻밖의 정보였기에 그는 점점 머리가 복잡해지고 있었습니다.
Where is she? Did you bring her? Where is she?
One of my agents is helping me secure. I need them to think that I'm here at home with you.
메디는 공직에 임하고 있는 남편에 대해서 의심이 가득했으며 평범한 민간인이었음에도 자꾸만 이에 관여하려 했죠.
Where's Ella?
Close. Give me the Gratz file first.
What are you going to do with it? You know, she's running for office. She's the front runner for Prime Minister.
자세한 대화 내용을 들을 수는 없었기에 그녀의 입장에서도 충분히 의심할 만한 상황이었습니다.
Is it done?
Yeah. Solid bridge, please.
결국 가족들은 무사히 상봉했으며 생각이 많아졌던 애덤은 자신의 사무실로 누군가를 불러들이죠.
I value your advice.
At 3 in the morning.
My daughter was kidnapped 36 hours ago. I don't know who by. I handed over intelligence on the Foreign Secretary to get her back, who has a cachet of compromising intel on everyone in the British establishment. The agent I handed it to is a former Russian spy. I imagine it's going to be used to affect the outcome of the leadership election.
비록 딸을 구하기 위해서라지만 적에게 주요 정보를 넘긴 것이었기에 이는 충분히 반역죄에 해당하는 일이었습니다.
Treason carries a life sentence. Did your wife know?
Of course not. Immunity from prosecution in exchange for information.
Then you've got to find her and expose her. Get Angelus on the hook and then get the file. It's the only way to protect your family.
한편 카라는 입수한 정보를 토대로 계획을 정리하던 와중에 급습을 당하게 되었죠.
Вы совершаете ошибку, Белова.
Кто-то отравил главу MI6. Россия главный подозреваемый.
그들은 러시아의 첩보기관인 SVR이었으며 자신들이 오해받는 상황이 불편한 것이었습니다.
Эти люди были в твоей команде в Баку, где ты впервые встретила Адама Лоренса. Держись от него подальше, Кара. Уверена, никто по тебе скучать не будет.
그녀로 인해서 곤란한 상황에 놓인 것은 SVR뿐만이 아니었으며 이는 애덤을 더욱 골치 아프게 만들었죠.
Where were you last night?
Oh, I was briefing Rosanna. Just tying up some loose ends.
Ella woke up screaming for you last night. She said she felt like they were taking her all over again. That it was a woman who found her.
Yeah, I told you, one of my undercover agents.
How long have you been running her?
Maddie,
Long enough to trust her with our daughter's life, I suppose.
we need some time together, and I feel like you and I have to talk.
Or why don't we just go now?
Listen, I need to take care of some things first. Thank you for coming, Minister. I would have been happy to meet you at your office.
Good news about your daughter, see? I hear it was down to your team.
We've uncovered a blackmail plot. I'm afraid you're the target, Minister.
What do they have on me?
Evidence from last September regarding your mother. You used a government plane to fly in a palliative care doctor.
어머니를 위한 일이라고는 하지만 정부의 관료로서 재산을 마음대로 사용했다는 것은 확실히 타격이 있는 얘기였습니다.
We are trying to ascertain the specifics, but I would need to know who would want to blackmail you.
There's plenty of people who don't want me in on the tab. But if I were you, I'd start with my leadership rival.
그녀의 라이벌은 로버트 컵이라는 사람이었으며 그의 후원인으로서 안톤이 든든하게 자리를 지키고 있었죠.
Your file?
В сумке. Он достаточно компрометирующий. Это именно то, что тебе нужно.
Мне нужно, чтобы ты повлияла на Грац.
Нет, не угрожает СВР. Они отправили Белову.
Я могу отвлечь от тебя Белову, но ты должна мне помочь.
현재 정치 판세를 뒤바꾸어 지지하던 로버트가 총리로 등극하기 위해서 안톤 역시 어떤 일도 가리지 않았습니다.
Hey, you want to see me?
Tell me about Robert Kirby.
No, small talk. All right. No, okay.
Who's funding his campaign?
Anton Melnikov.
그들의 유착 관계는 겉보기에도 상당히 끈끈했기에 이를 파고들 허점이 필요했죠.
Your Five Eyes meeting starts in 3 minutes.
I need to see Anton Melnikov. Call his office for me immediately.
Sorry, what's going on? Why are you looking into Anton Melnikov?
I can't tell you that.
You are a bloody idiot. You know that I'm the only one in this building trying to help you navigate this shit. You want to handle this alone? It's all yours.
그 시각 카라는 안톤의 말을 믿고서 서슴없이 오드리에게 접근하기 시작했습니다.
Take a seat.
It's a little delicate. I hope you don't mind. It's about my mother, you see. She's not been well. I can understand that.
Where did you get this?
그녀가 현재 벌어지고 있는 총리 대선을 포기하지 않는다면 이를 국민들에게 알릴 심산으로 흔들었죠.
And Mr. Smith, come on up.
Mr. Lawrence. Lord Melnikov.
Oh, Anton, please.
안톤을 만난 애덤은 우회적으로 현재 그가 벌이고 있는 음모를 철회하라고 요구했습니다.
So whatever you need, I'm your humble servant. The kindness I've been shown is overwhelming.
Anton, we received intelligence concerning a blackmail plot.
Well, it's very worrying.
I need to warn you to be on the lookout for similar approaches.
Or do you have reason to believe that I might somehow be a target?
Your name has come up. Reasons, but a former associate of yours might be involved. Kara Yasova. She was your personal protection officer 8 years ago.
치열한 정보전이 지속되고 있었기에 이길 수 있는 핵심은 누가 더 중요한 정보를 들고 있느냐였죠.
Which woman?
She has proof. She has copies of original documents.
You can weather this, Audrey. Ask the PM to support you.
What am I going to do? I've got to go.
Where is this place?
이러한 정보들은 CIA 측도 마찬가지로 원하고 있었으며 적극적으로 애덤의 주변 인물을 이용했습니다.
The Maddie I remember would have got some proof of them together. I can't make out her face. Is this the best you've got?
It was dark. He's resigning. That's what I came here to tell you.
Then this woman has spent 15 years getting him into position.
그녀의 진짜 목표는 애덤이 아니라 그를 국장 자리에 앉힌 카라의 정체를 파헤치는 것이었죠.
We can't track his phone. But you can help us trace his movements. It's the only way you keep him out of prison. Once I have her, it's over.
Сказала, что ты доставила сообщение Грацу.
카라는 그저 자신의 동료들을 죽인 배우를 알고 싶은 것이었으나 안톤에게 얽힌 이상 그의 비위에 맞춰주어야 했습니다.
Лоуренс раскрыл нас. Приходил ко мне, спрашивал про тебя. Мой план должен сработать. Я не могу ничего сделать, если MI6 бегает за мной по пятам.
Да? Объясни мне. Ты все придумал.
Все мои деньги заморожены. Я персона нон-грата в России. И тогда мой план сработает. Все будет прощено.
Ты меня использовал.
Тогда ты не оставляешь мне выбора. Мне придется доложить о тебе за покушение на Мартина Анджелиса.
각국의 수많은 정보원들과 더불어 아내인 메디까지 오로지 애덤만을 주목하고 있었죠.
Okay. Am I?
Yeah, just, I won't be long. You take my go.
I don't want anything to do with you anymore.
It's more serious than you think.
Adam, we need to meet.
What for?
I know who had Ella kidnapped.
South Bank, skate park, 1 a.m.
Okay, how many guesses you got?
19.
메디 때문에 CIA에게 꼬리가 달린 것도 모른 채 애덤은 카라를 만나기 위해서 어딘가로 나아갑니다.
It's headed for the skate park.
Stand by. Hey. We've been tracking him for 20 minutes now.
Ears are on.
애덤의 입장에서도 적에게 자료를 건넨 배신자의 프레임을 벗어나려면 안톤과 관련된 자료를 입수하여 정당성을 확보해야 했죠.
He wants to go home. That's her voice.
He's trying to get Kirby into number 10.
So he can flip him back to the Kremlin. It's his ticket back.
Then tell me who took my daughter if it wasn't Melnikov.
Only once you help me find out what happened in Baku. I had 5 local men working for me. Strung up on the street where their own kids could see them.
You want to know who killed them?
The truth is in MI6. Then he might have a file on Baku too. You have to help me get it.
First, you have to tell me who took Ella.
The CIA took your daughter.
What?
They're already here. They must have followed you.
상황은 급박하게 돌아갔으며 CIA가 엘라를 납치했다고 말한 것을 메디 역시 똑똑히 들었습니다.
Did Adam meet her in the market last night? Tell me!
자신과 가족들을 지켜주겠다는 얘기가 모두 거짓이라는 것을 깨달았기에 극심한 배신감을 느낄 수밖에 없었죠.
You're out of your mind. She's a child. Is she the one he gave the file to? It is my blood in your veins, not theirs. You are a fucking monster.
Yeah.
Why didn't you turn me over to the CIA when you had the chance?
그들의 목적은 일치하지 않았지만 어찌됐든 마틴이 가진 정보들이 필요하다는 것은 명확했습니다.
Right, here, put these on. I'll see you downstairs, right?
Okay.
또한 아내에게 첩자가 붙은 것을 알게 된 순간부터 그는 이를 가만히 두고 볼 생각이 없었죠.
Ah, that's Mads now.
Adam, what the hell's going on?
I saw you at the South Bank with Dee Dee. Our home isn't safe. My kids are not safe.
How come you've never talked to me about her?
I have to go.
Adam!
Angelis is on his way home. You gotta go.
No, it's our last chance to get the files.
결국 그들은 서로 적이었음에도 각자의 목표를 이루기 위해서 잠시 손을 잡아야만 했습니다.
I have to, Ella, and no one can know.
That's why we came.
Can you keep this a secret?
He's here.
애덤이 시간을 끌어보려 했지만 그녀가 밖을 나서면서 문제가 생길 것만 같았는데
Thank you, Frank.
Morning, sir.
Adam's here.
그들이 원했던 파일도 없었을 뿐더러 마틴 역시 왕쾌하고 자택에 복귀했으니 작전은 실패로 끝나는 듯했죠.
Welcome home, sir.
Aunt Mary, can we see the garden?
Mary told me you dropped in. My files. You won't find them.
It's not why I came.
심지어 첩보업계에서 잔뼈가 굵었던 마틴은 그가 왜 자신을 찾아왔는지 이미 파악하고 있었습니다.
After the CIA came to me with the suspicions about you, I did some digging. They were talking about a British agent that they'd used to kill 5 men in Baku, Dorian. But I knew it could only be you. We pulled out. You stayed. Saved the embassy, made your name with MI6.
게다가 그는 이전의 바쿠 사건을 토대로 애덤이 러시아와 협력하고 있었으며 로버트를 총리로 만들려 한다고 추측하고 있었죠.
If your transcript is correct, then there's a double agent at MI6.
Give it up, will you? You made your choice, Adam. I'll make sure the entire world knows you're a Russian asset. You're going to jail for a very long time, and I promise you this.
결국 1년의 증거들까지 확보된 상태였기에 이대로라면 애덤은 꼼짝없이 스파이로 몰려 감옥에 갇힐 판국이었습니다.
Pete, pick up the pace, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, come on.
Sorry, sir, but I need you to hold here. Your clearance has been revoked.
On whose orders?
무엇보다 애덤의 권한을 모두 박탈했으니 이전에는 그의 능력으로 할 수 있는 것도 모두 불가능하게 되었죠.
All right, guys, we're gonna go.
Tonight's leadership debate.
Good to see you, sir. You can bring the briefcase through.
Well, can't Adam take care of it?
Adam's compromised, Mary. He's the situation.
서둘러 이 오해를 풀지 않는다면 그는 더 이상 이 나라의 발도 붙일 수 없는 상태가 될 수도 있었습니다.
His parents had a place near Hopewood in Surrey. And the files are secure?
Yes. All in hand, sir.
I'm issuing a Section 7 on Anton Melnikov and Adam Lawrence.
Sir, we
Yeah, he's made his choice. Adam Lawrence now constitutes a threat to the nation. Do it tonight. Relay the blame on your shoulder.
그 시각 애덤은 자신에게 쏠려있는 모든 시선을 피하기 위해서 외곽에 있는 별장에 도착했죠.
Did you and Maddie have a fight? What's it about Kara?
Yeah. It's a very serious situation and we are trying to fix it.
엘라는 납치도 당했기에 걱정이 앞섰지만 애덤은 반드시 위험해서 지켜주겠다고 그녀를 안심시킵니다.
All right?
Who is it?
No, no. You and your brother stay here.
Hey, Callum, wait! Wait!
Mum! Oh.
What were you doing there last night with Dee Dee?
I was trying to prove that you were innocent.
메디도 애초부터 가족들을 지키기 위해 나선 것이었기에 남편과 자세한 사항을 대화로 풀고 싶었죠.
So what are you doing here?
I need to understand what the fuck you're doing with this woman. I deserve to know, Adam.
I don't care if we could get more for it. I need a quick, discreet sale. I leave for Moscow right after the leadership election.
여러 가지 복잡한 상황을 뒤로하고서 현재 벌어진 사건은 로버트의 후원자였던 안토니 암살을 당했다는 것이었습니다.
But, well, they just found Melnikov's body in a car park an hour ago. For Christ's sake, just call me. Worried about you, okay?
It goes against every fiber of my being.
No, Callum, put that back on.
뒤에서 암투가 벌어지는 상황에서 총리 후보들은 멀쩡히 연설을 하고 있었으니 참으로 아이러니한 일이었죠.
And I will of course cooperate with any police inquiry that my mother died a natural, unassisted death.
Okay, Cal, go to bed, baby.
It's not even 9 o'clock.
Just go and help your brother. What did you do?
I handed over a file of compromat on Audrey Gratz.
Oh my God, that's what I saw you give Kara at Borough Market.
그 당시의 상황을 복기해보면 애덤의 입장에서도 엘라를 되찾기 위해서는 어쩔 수 없는 선택이었습니다.
But you betrayed your country! For her!
She had been an agent for a few years.
You told me about that.
I haven't heard from her or seen her in 15 years.
그들이 쌓여왔던 감정을 폭발시키며 다투고 있는 와중에 수상한 저격수는 암살 대상을 정조준하죠.
Listen to me, all right? 5 of Kara's agents were killed, okay? I gave them my word that the British would protect them.
Sleeping with the enemy must have its perks.
When it came to it, I left her there.
I told myself I'd never choice. We were under attack. What was I supposed to do? This was never about love. It was always about guilt. I promise you. You never needed to worry. I'm sorry.
과거의 사건이 지금 그의 목숨을 잃게 만들 수도 있다는 사실에 대해서 애덤은 전혀 짐작하지 못했습니다.
No, we didn't find anything until we moved.
So he knows? Can we fix this?
We have to.
그들이 간신히 화해를 청하는 동안 잠결에 몸을 뒤척이던 캘럼은 무심코 밖을 향해 몸을 내보이죠.
Get away from him!
Ella, come here! Come here!
What the fuck are you doing here?
Angelus ordered a hit on you. They're coming here.
마틴은 확실히 애덤을 적이라고 판단했으며 이 지구에서 완전히 지워버릴 생각이었습니다. 전문적인 스나이퍼가 그들을 노리고 있었기에 자칫 잘못 고개를 내밀었다간 순식간에 저 세상으로 가버릴 것이었죠.
You're gonna stay with your dad. He's gonna protect you. They're here for you. They're not here for me.
Let's go. You know how to use this? Yeah. You go in behind and take the shot.
조금 전만 해도 적이라고 판단하며 언성을 주고받았지만 목숨이 걸린 일이었기에 협력하는 것이 좋아 보였습니다.
Keep your head right down.
저격수는 자리를 옮겨다니면서 적절한 위치를 물색했으며 그의 방심을 노리기 위해 조용히 접근하는데
Drop the gun! No!
It's okay.
그녀들의 완벽한 호흡으로 인해서 간신히 저격수를 제압했으며 잠시 숨을 돌릴 수 있게 되었죠.
Guys, we have to go. Come on.
그나마 현재 그가 믿을 수 있었던 인물은 절친한 친구이자 변호사인 키트밖에 없었습니다.
My family isn't safe. I don't know where else to go.
The police, Adam. Go to the police.
I can't trust.
What makes you think I'm any different?
You're Sean's best friend. That's to mean something.
Dad?
Yeah.
Are we the good guys?
Get some rest.
지금 당장 무엇이 선이고 악인가를 논하기에는 그저 각자의 임무를 위해서 손을 더럽히고 있을 뿐이었죠.
Tell me.
Barnes is dead. They must be working together.
암살이 실패했다는 것을 알게 된 마틴은 잠시 고민하더니 곧바로 디디에게 전화를 겁니다.
Well, perhaps it's time. You and a team of special ops entered the country 6 days ago.
For the same reason we warned you about Adam Lawrence 5 years ago.
Adam Lawrence and Kara Yushova killed one of my officers last night. As you said, he's a threat to both our nations.
마틴은 권력을 유지하고 싶었으며 애덤과 카라의 관계를 위험하다고 판단했기에 이해관계가 맞아떨어졌던 디디도 거절할 이유는 없었죠.
And the proof against him is all yours. Mission accomplished.
Maddie.
Thank you.
Adam.
그들이 협력하고 있는 이상 애덤은 최대한 자신과 가족들이 살 수 있는 방법을 빠르게 모색해야 했습니다.
Thinks I'm in league with Kara and Melnikov. That's why he had him killed. Angelis is willing to let Kirby win, and then he'll expose the plot and use it to strengthen his position at MI6. Unless we force it out into the open first. I have to fix this.
Do a deal with Gratz. Offer her the intel on Kirby in exchange for immunity.
And what do you get out of it?
I want to know who killed my man.
You, and it sounds like you can't trust anyone at MI6.
이렇게 강압적으로 목숨을 위협한다면 폭력 없이 해결할 수 있도록 유용한 정보를 이용해야 했죠.
You and I need to talk. Can you meet me?
이를 활용하기 위해서는 일단 현재 영국에서 가장 많은 권력을 갖고 있는 이에게 도움을 구해야 했습니다.
Who the hell are you? Where's Adam?
I'll take you to him. Biscuits in there.
오드리 역시 총리가 되기에는 현재의 상황이 불안정했기에 만나서 방법을 찾을 수 있다면 나쁠 것은 없었죠.
I thought that if it was in a public space, he might feel safer.
What is it that you know about Kirby? And how did my file get into that woman's hands?
Adam gave it to her. But he didn't have a choice. It was the only way to get Ella back. He has hundreds of files like this. Hundreds on everyone. And they also contain evidence of a Russian plot. In return, you need to promise him immunity from prosecution.
All right.
Arms up.
Adam, you're out. Angelis is back in his post.
Because this could be your chance to run MI6. And this is a chance to save its soul. What is it you want? I need to know where Olamide is. He's moved the files.
이제 파일의 위치도 알았으며 오드리에게 면책권도 약속받았으니 정보가 담긴 파일만 입수할 수 있다면 전세는 역전이었습니다.
They're digitizing the files. We have to wait till they're done.
Every second we sit here exposed.
We have to be patient.
그들은 과거의 연인이었으며 함께 정보를 주고받던 사이였기에 관계가 멀어진 지금도 그때를 잊을 수는 없었죠.
I'm sorry, Kara. I really am.
There's someone there.
I'll go. I'll go.
애덤이 주변을 경계하는 사이에 카라는 발빠르게 안으로 들어가서 원하는 정보를 파악합니다.
Maddie, what are you doing here?
I thought you might need some help.
Someone's here. I think it's the CIA. Where are you?
You're right. They think you're Dorian and you killed my men.
All right, get the drive. Get out now.
Everything on this drive only exists so Angelis can manipulate people.
막대한 정보력을 기반으로 사람들의 약점을 쥐고 흔들려는 마틴의 새까만 속내를 더 이상 두고 볼 수는 없었죠.
I'm not letting you leave with that.
MI6의 요원들과 마주친 이상 그들은 결국 서로에게 총을 겨눌 수밖에 없었습니다.
safe. Don't let that out your sight. I'll cover you.
파일을 간신히 손에 넣긴 했지만 마틴의 편으로 돌아선 디디는 끝까지 그들을 추격했죠.
Drop it.
Angelus told me you clean up after yourself.
Was that
Tell Maddie to give me the drive and I'll let her walk away.
Maddie doesn't trust you any more than I do.
He has to face justice for what he's done. You know that. I'll give you 30 seconds.
You must know he's using you.
마틴이 자신을 이용하고 있다는 것은 알고 있었지만 그가 카라와 내통한다는 것 자체가 CIA에서는 잠자코 볼 수 없는 일이었습니다.
Time's up, Maddie.
그녀들이 상황을 만류하기 위해 나타나지만 디디는 자존심을 앞세우며 결국 총구에 방아쇠를 당겼죠.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
애덤의 죽음은 모두에게 알려졌으며 마틴은 이를 카라의 소행으로 몰아가고 있었습니다.
I'm finding Carrie Yershova and eliminating her.
The proof is a dead deputy chief of MI6.
게다가 그는 사람들을 다룰 줄 알았기에 조직의 부국장이라는 먹음직한 위치를 그들에게 보상으로 제시했죠.
It was wrong to appoint Adam as my deputy. Let's show them what the future of this organization will look like. Viable candidates for C, ready to step up and lead it.
We'll be safe here. You can make the call.
그들은 애덤의 죽음이 헛되지 않게 하기 위해서라도 모든 진실을 세상에 알려야만 했습니다.
Hello?
I have what we discussed.
Where are you?
I'm at a campaign event. Look, what the hell's happened? Angelus is making a statement about Adam. Where is he?
He's dead. The CIA took him out. And Angelus ordered the hit.
And if I have them, my family's in danger.
다만 영악했던 오드리는 자신이 위험을 감수할 필요는 없다고 생각하며 그녀의 제안을 거부하죠.
We can't let Angelus put his version of this out into the world. Audrey, listen to me. He's one step ahead of you.
Otherwise, he's always going to be in control.
허망하다고 생각이 들었던 메디는 남은 자식들만이라도 지키려 했지만 그녀 역시 돌아갈 수 있는 곳은 마땅치 않았습니다.
Nowhere you can run that Angelus won't find you. Stay and fight. Use the files to expose Angelus.
Easy as that.
상황 자체의 혼란스러움을 느낀 그녀는 왜 상부가 애덤을 이중 스파이로 오해했는지 궁금했죠.
British double agent, codename Dorian, who was active in Baku. Angelus is convinced that Adam was Dorian.
그녀의 얘기를 잠자코 경청하던 메디는 도리언이라는 인물을 이용하는 것이 어떻겠냐는 제안을 합니다.
Анжелис теперь будет меня искать. Мне нужно срочно исчезнуть.
Я не могу помочь тебе, Кара. Не звони больше на этот номер.
Подождите. Мадди Лоренс думает, что я убила ее мужа. Вы знаете, что она завладела тайным компроматом Анжелиса?
Я сделаю звонок. Узнаю, стоит ли твоя информация билета домой.
The Kremlin will contact Dorian. And if another SVR agent? No, they're terrified of being expelled.
확실히 바쿠 사건에서 학살을 저지른 도리언의 정체를 파악한다면 애덤에게 씌워진 억울한 누명도 벗겨낼 수 있었죠.
But look, I've seen what you can do.
위험이 따르는 일이었지만 이미 상황이 벌어진 이상 어떻게든 이 작전을 성공해야 했습니다.
Which have only very recently come to light.
You're looking for the committee chamber. Just breathe. I'm right here.
Who had been supporting his career for over 15 years, who had been grooming him to influence the election to appoint the next prime minister of this country.
Maddie.
의회에서 일일이 애덤의 잘못을 열거하는 와중에 밝혀진 놀라운 사실은 도리언의 정체가 바로 애덤의 절친이었던 패트릭이라는 것이었죠.
Time for this. You have to hand this over to me. We don't have any more time.
It's you. You killed those 5 men.
자리에 있었던 오드리는 곧바로 상황을 파악하며 이를 역이용하기 시작했습니다.
I'd like to present some material. A few days ago, I was made aware of a private cache of intel to blackmail people in positions of power as the longest-serving and most powerful intelligence chief in the history of this nation. Judges.
You have no idea what you just did.
You were wrong about Adam.
세상의 모든 정보를 쥐고 있었음에도 마틴은 정말 도리언이 애덤이라고 생각했던 것 같았죠.
Я потерял файлы. Но они хотя бы принесли нам пользу. А ситуацию можно разрешить.
결국 카라는 패트릭을 죽임으로써 자신이 그토록 염원하던 동료들의 복수를 이루어냅니다.
In the last few minutes, the head of MI6, Sir Martin Angelis, has been arrested and detained.
You destroyed my family.
Maddie, I trusted our intel.
I don't care how many of your people try and stop me.
Everybody knows the truth about what you did.
남편의 죽음에 대한 복수와 자식들의 안전을 다짐하는 매디의 모습을 마지막으로 드라마는 끝이 나죠. 믿음과 배신이 교차하면서 치열한 정보전을 그려내는 첩보 스릴러 드라마 트리즌이었습니다.